Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the gunshot questions for Excel Foundation. So from unit number 1 I have given only 4 questions. Try to prepare these 4 questions. Definitely you can attempt one question in long. So in this most repeated questions only I have given in this data types, that is very much important, and what is the features of Microsoft Excel. We can expect this question in this year also. Okay, from unit number 2 again 4 questions I have given here: hiding and unhiding a worksheet and protecting workbooks. This is important, and adding, deleting and activating a worksheet in a workbook is also important question. Okay, so from unit number 3, like borders and lines in MS Excel is important, and unit number 4, we can auto recover feature we will have in MS Excel. What is the note about that? You need to write a brief information about that. Okay, and from unit number 5, what are the steps in choosing the printer and specifying what to print? What are the steps we will follow to do that? And MS worksheet in PDF format, how do you save that your MS Excel thing into a PDF format? The procedure you need to write it. Okay, so this is about the Excel Foundation subject. Whatever the questions I have given, just prepare that questions. Okay, already I have given the gunshot questions. Try to prepare all the questions if you want passing marks. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much.